welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I am Navi Lee. Before we go any further in this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you guys won't miss any of my upcoming video. And if you guys enjoy this video, hit that like button in the face. Let's get started, shall we? A disclaimer. I am not a professional. No, I don't have license to do this. I do my own hair at my own risk. So, and I also do my friend's hair. I pretty much do it. So every item that you be seeing here, I will leave a link down below if you guys want to check this out at Sally's Beauty Supply. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching.